All right. Here's what I want you to do. So now this is going to be, let's make this next column. So this is the column right after D. We're going to make that, put it in, so it's column E. We're going to call this predicted. We'll just, for predicted, we'll go PRED scores. Everybody got that?
Yes.
Okay. Here is where, so in this first box here, we're going to figure out how much Detroit should score. How are we going to do that? Besides getting, Madden in here to give us his opinion. What is this score? What do we predict the score is going to be based on these numbers? And let's just look at the average first. What do we think Detroit's going to score in this game based on what Green Bay's defense does?
0.
What?
Are we like subtracting or?
Subtracting?
Yeah, so like Detroit's offense from the Green Bay's defense, or?
You're close. But so if we subtracted, what would happen? What would be the score? So we got Green Bay normally gives up 20 points. Detroit normally scores 20 points. A little more than 20. Green Bay gives up less. If we subtracted them, then we predict Detroit would only score 1 point, right? So what's it going to be? I can hear the hamster turning the wheels in your heads right now.
Maybe 1 more point than the score usually.
Well, this is what Detroit's normally offense is going to score, right? Mm-hmm. So let's just make an equation here. So in that box, remember, go up to that box by the FX, put equals. Won't it be the average of what Detroit scores and what Green Bay gives up? Everybody see that? All right. The hamster's awake. Okay, let's type. I like to just type it. It's a lot easier. Go average, parenthesis. Okay, and here's a shortcut for you. So we want this number here. We're looking at column B. So I'm going to select Detroit offense. And then again, remember, hold down your control button and hit Green Bay's defense. And then parentheses. So it should say B4, comma, B5. You can type that, or you can actually just select the cells that you want. Yours is turning color? That's good. It turned purple?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, okay. We must have carried on the formatting. It's all right. We're going to reformat it anyway. Colors are awesome. Okay, everybody do that? Hit return. Oh, yeah, it did, didn't it?
Mine.
Yours didn't? That's okay, we'll get it. There's always got to be a problem somewhere. All right. I'm going to let you figure out what Green Bay's going to do. You do it your way and see if you come up with the same number as I do. Equals. Yeah, I'll get the purple off. Hold on. What'd you get? 24.95. Did everybody get 24.95? Is there anybody here that did not? Okay. Are you with me? All right. Based on this, who is going to win this game? Based on the averages or the trends that their defenses and offense has. Green Bay. Do you think that's going to happen? It might. I don't know. Green Bay's been doing pretty bad lately. There's also Green Bay, actually, we're going to see this, but they statistically play worse away from home. So that might factor into it. I don't know. But according to this, based on the trends of the entire season, we think that Green Bay is going to beat Detroit by at least 5 points. Or around 5 points.
They lost last time.
Who did? Detroit? Oh, Green Bay did, didn't they? And they played in Green Bay.
Yeah, they played good.
That's another factor we could potentially add to our model. But again, right now we're just kind of doing the basics. So here is how you're going to transfer. Instead of doing that, finding the average for all of these, here is how I'm going to compute the game for San Diego and Denver. Watch this. If I drag it down, you don't have to do this. If I drag it down, I'm getting numbers for each one. I'm going to tell you right now, computers are stupid. That you and I can see what we want to do, but it just takes the function there, and when you drag it down, it just drags it down for the next thing instead of leaving a space for us. So I don't want this, so what's my magic button? Undo. Always use your undo. Very, very critical function. So here's what we're going to do to transfer those. And you're going to do this for once you set up all your matches. Select all these 4 squares here. So start with 20.27, then go below 24.95. Everybody with me?
Yeah.
Oh, you should do what? Oh,
Okay.
drag it to.
Okay, now remember we're going to hit our copy function. So Control C. Okay, I want to paste it in this next box. The box is down here. So here is what I'm going to do. I don't want to paste the numbers, so I'm going to go to my paste function here. And you want to hit paste special. You can also find it on your edit tool. Does everybody see that? I know I have a Mac. Paste special. You can also find it on your edit key. Paste special. Or it'll be this clipboard thing. Yep. Here's what you're going to do. You want to paste special, and now you only want to paste the formulas. So hit formulas. If we get the same numbers, you did it wrong. Boy.
Click formulas that okay?
So we got 20.47 for San Diego and 25.52 for Denver.
Yeah.
Does everybody get that? No? We'll help you. All right. So from here on out, I basically want you to set up the entire week 13. Basically doing exactly what we did. Here's what I would do is I would set up your matches first and then worry about pasting this. I want you to do it for the averages, the median, and the average weight. So this will be predicted scores. Maybe go averages. And then we can make this whatever we want. Predicted scores median, predicted scores weighted average, or weighted. Does everybody understand that? Okay. So start setting up the matchups, and I'll come around and help whoever needs it. And then basically we'll figure out who's going to win these games this week. And yay, Denver's supposed to win. If they lose, something really bad happened. All right.